Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your HP 15seq1018ns and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, carefully remove the battery. This is typically done by sliding the battery release latch and lifting the battery out. Once the battery is removed, you can proceed to unscrew the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help improve the laptop's performance. Now locate the LCD assembly. You will see several screws holding the LCD cover in place. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached to the LCD. Disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. If you're unsure about any step, our service includes collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. With the old LCD cover removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new cover with the LCD assembly, ensuring that all clips and connectors are properly positioned. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected, taking care to secure them firmly. Next, replace the screws that hold the LCD cover in place. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. If you're not comfortable with this, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After securing the new LCD cover, reattach the back panel of the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring everything is secure. Reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services are designed to make your repair experience as smooth as possible, with no calls and no travel required. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP 15seq1018ns. This process not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Happy repairing. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.